Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Microsoft Edge is very slow. So guys, to speed up your Microsoft Edge browser, just follow some easy steps. First one, you have to search inetcpl.cpl. Open this setting. Now here click on Connections. Here you will see some tabs. Select here Connections, then LAN Settings. Now uncheck this box, Automatically Detect Settings. So uncheck this one, then click on OK. Now open Microsoft Edge. So search Edge and open it. Now open Settings. Now here search Boost. So you will see option Startup Boost. Go to browsing quickly. When this is on, it helps Microsoft Edge open faster. When you start your device, so just turn on this setting. Similarly, search here DNS. So you will see option Use Secure DNS to specify how to look up the network address for websites. So make this setting to off. You have to turn off this setting. Then restart and reboot your system. So thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.